Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. I did want to do a really quick PLTR video or technical analysis to let you guys know what I think is going to happen next. I do think that we are currently just retesting these previous highs. These previous highs of like $23.50, $23.40, $23.40 or so. I still think we're going down. I mean, I don't need to say that, any more times, right? I still think we're going down. On the 30-minute, we actually just created a stronger bullish candle, but you guys need to remember that I am using the reverse MACD, so this actually means a stronger bearish candle. I do think that we are starting to see that sell-off happening now, and I do think we have created tops. Something similar that happened last time around this time, around like the same indications, is when we were actually back in April 14th. We were at highs of $26 and we went all the way down to $22.69. So what, maybe like, I don't want to do the math off my head, but highs, we'll do 26 right there, whatever, and to the lows of $22.72. So we dropped $3.43, right? From that same point of view, from that same point right now, we are under that same indication right now. And the bad thing is, when same indications like that happen, it tends to kind of move the same way, right? So let me delete that because that's not going to really help us. So we dropped $3.43 in the span of what? Damn, 1 day. So we dropped pretty hard. So next time we do drop, like I said, I do think we are creating tops here on PLTR. Let me see. 1 day, we'll use that. $3.40, like around there. $3.43. Yeah, I mean, I think the next time we do drop, because if you guys look at the hour, if you look at the 4 hour, it's definitely nearing again to something like this, something that happened back, like again, April 14th. You guys can see last time we actually crossed on the reversal we did. We went from like these peaks, these highs to these lows, right? So I'm expecting something around the same thing. It looks like it's going to be crossing sometime within the next week, the next trading week. And to be honest, it does look like it's going to go down. The only good thing supporting PLTR right now is the daily chart. The daily chart looks 100% bullish. I like if I saw the daily chart and if I saw the indications of the reversal MACD and the still creating bottoms, I would have easily bought I would have probably bought after it crossed the previous resistance at 22.57. That's when I would have actually probably bought something, right? And also, and as of right now, the weekly chart also looks bullish, but as far as being short-term bearish, 100%. I would take this upcoming sell every single day. Like I said, we do need to see what happens Monday and Tuesday, because I do think that's when the move is going to happen. If we break to the upside, if we break up to $25.98, around $26, I do think it's going to stay bullish and we're going to keep going. But if Monday, Tuesday, we actually go down, we trade on this 22.61, break it, and then keep going down, I do think we're going back all the way down to like 18, 19 bucks. I mean, that's it. I mean, there's really no other way about it. It's either Monday, Tuesday, we stay flat, or we go up and break this $26 mark, or we go down and break this $22.50 mark and we keep going down. I mean, if I had to make a play right now, if I had to, I would take a sell right now, every single day. I'd take a sell. Long term, if I was holding, I'd probably just, if it does drop, I'd probably be averaging in or doing a DCA, so, dollar cost averaging on my position. But like I said, I think short term right now, I think we're definitely still headed back down to like $20, 19 bucks. I do, which is the bad thing, because I think we are going to be creating new lower highs, right? Or yeah, new lower lows. Which first of all is crappy, because if we actually do create a lower around this area, there's a chance that we might go back up, retest at 23 bucks, or we actually retest somewhere around like 21.50 and then shoot all the way back down to like $15-16. So it's definitely a possibility of something like that happening. I think there is a gap somewhere. There's a gap. Yeah, there's a gap between $31.34 and $30.50. So I mean, you guys know I love PLTR. PLTR is like one of the companies that I bought it when it was like at $10. I think PLTR is a great long-term hold, 100%. I think they're doing great things. But as far as short term, I'm pretty bearish, man. Like there's no doubt about it. Every indication right now shows bearish movement, which basically entails it going down. So yeah, I do think PLTR is going to sell off. I don't think it's going to hit up here. If I had to make a play, I'd probably short it if I could, or if I would buy puts. I mean, obviously I can't short it, but I'd probably end up buying puts for PLTR. But I mean, I still think it's going down. All indication shows that. I mean, even breaking past this support, it didn't do a huge move up. It's still trading sideways, right? But yeah, I know a lot of you guys really wanted me to make this video on technical analysis for PLTR. Here it is. Again, we are barely moving up and retesting these previous lows, 22.80, 23 bucks, right around this level. So we'll see what happens Monday, Tuesday. But if I had to guess right now, I would say we're probably going down, maybe creating lower lows. I'll see you guys later.